About 95% of drivers don't realize what their own car is truly capable of doing. What makes this even more surprising is that many of these hidden features could prevent costly repairs, yet they always remain completely overlooked. Before you spend money unnecessarily at a repair shop, you need to know these 11 hidden functions almost nobody talks about. Don't skip any part because some of them can literally save your car in unexpected situations. Secret number 11. Restart your car after an impact using a hidden reset switch. If your car cranks normally but refuses to start after a minor collision, striking a deep pothole, or even mounting a curb too hard, the problem might not be mechanical at all. Many vehicles are equipped with a safety device known as the fuel pump inertia switch. This system automatically shuts off fuel supply when an impact is detected, helping reduce the risk of fire. It's particularly common in vehicles sold in the United States from manufacturers like Ford and several imported brands. What most drivers don't know is that there's usually a reset switch. It's often found inside the trunk behind a trim panel or close to the passenger side floor area. Pressing this switch restores the fuel supply immediately. Within seconds, the car may start again without the need for a tow truck or a mechanic. It's a straightforward feature that can easily save you from diagnostic charges that often run between $150 and $300 for something that isn't actually broken. Secret number 10. Let cruise control handle downhill speed. Most drivers only activate cruise control on flat highways, but modern vehicles can also help when driving downhill. When cruise control is engaged before a long descent, the system can automatically shift to a lower gear to use engine braking and keep the selected speed steady. This works particularly well in automatic vehicles, which account for more than 95% of new car sales in the United States. You may notice the engine RPM rise slightly, showing that the transmission is assisting with speed control instead of depending only on the brakes. In vehicles equipped with adaptive cruise control, the system may also apply gentle braking on its own. The result is less brake wear, smoother control, and a smaller chance of accidentally going over the speed limit. Secret number 9. Reset the sunroof when it loses calibration. After replacing the battery or experiencing a voltage drop, it's common for the sunroof to stop halfway or lose its automatic function. This happens because the control module loses its stored memory of the opening and closing limits. To recalibrate it, switch the ignition on and press and hold the sunroof close button for about 10 seconds. Even after the sunroof finishes closing, continue holding the button. In many vehicles, the system will begin an automatic relearning cycle. This restores the electronic limits and brings back features like one-touch operation and anti-pinch protection. Now here's a feature so hidden that many people accidentally damage their own cars during routine maintenance. Secret number 8. Electronic parking brake service mode. If your vehicle is equipped with an electronic parking brake, enabling service mode before changing the rear brake pads is very important. Unlike traditional systems, this design uses small electric motors built into the brake calipers. Trying to push the pistons back manually can damage the actuator, and depending on the vehicle, that repair can cost anywhere from $500 to $1,000. In many vehicles sold in the United States, there is a specific sequence involving the brake pedal, the electronic parking brake switch, and the ignition that places the system into maintenance mode, automatically retracting the actuators. This process helps prevent component damage and makes sure the system calibrates correctly after the brake service. Before moving ahead, it's important to remember that understanding these features isn't just interesting, it can directly save you money. Many expensive repair diagnoses start with simple issues the car already knows how to fix on its own. Secret number 7. Ventilate the interior using just the key fob. On hot days, the interior temperature of a parked vehicle can climb above 140 degrees Fahrenheit in the United States, especially during the summer months. However, many vehicles come with a feature known as global window opening. By pressing and holding the unlock button on the key fob for a few seconds, all the windows automatically roll down. On some models, the sunroof may also open slightly. This lets the hot air escape before you even get into the car. To close everything again, simply press and hold the lock button. In certain vehicles, this function may need to be activated through the infotainment settings menu. Secret number 6. The hidden tow hook that protects your vehicle's structure. That small metal hook stored near the spare tire or toolkit in the trunk actually serves an important function. It's the proper attachment point for towing or recovering the vehicle. Both the front and rear bumpers usually have a small, removable plastic cover. Behind it is a reinforced threaded mounting point connected directly to the vehicle's structural frame. This is where the tow hook should be installed. When towing is done using the wrong suspension parts or control arms, the chance of structural damage becomes very high. Repairs caused by improper towing can easily cost between $1,000 and $2,000. Using the correct mounting point spreads the load exactly where the vehicle was designed to handle it. And this is just the start. Many of the most useful functions remain hidden inside your vehicle's electronic systems. Some of them can even prevent failures that tend to happen exactly when you need your car the most. Secret number 5. Emergency trunk release handle. Since the early 2000s, a small but extremely important safety feature has become mandatory in many vehicles around the world and is now standard in most cars sold in the United States. Yet many drivers have never even noticed it. This feature is the internal trunk release handle. The rule gained momentum after safety recommendations from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, following several serious incidents involving people accidentally trapped inside trunks. This handle is usually made from glow-in-the-dark material and placed close to the trunk latch mechanism. Even if the vehicle is completely locked, pulling the handle immediately opens the trunk from the inside. It's a simple but very important safety feature, especially for families or emergency situations. It's a good idea to check where it's located in your vehicle and make sure anyone riding with you understands how it works. Small, discreet, and often overlooked, but it can truly make a life-saving difference. Secret number 4. Extendable or sliding sun visor. Every driver has experienced that moment when the sun visor simply isn't enough to block sunlight coming from the side, especially during early morning or late afternoon driving. What many people don't realize is that several vehicles include a built-in solution for this. In many models, the sun visor can slide along its rod or has a built-in side extension. By gently pulling or sliding it toward the side window, you can greatly increase the area that blocks direct sunlight. This feature appears in vehicles from several brands sold in the United States, such as Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, Audi, and Volkswagen. But it's rarely explained clearly in the owner's manual, which is why many drivers never realize it's there. Secret number 3. Automatic rear defroster timer. When you press the rear defroster button, many drivers think it will stay on until they switch it off themselves. However, most vehicles are equipped with an automatic timer. Usually, the system runs for around 10 to 15 minutes and then turns off by itself to avoid electrical overload and excessive heating of the glass filaments. This automatic function helps protect the battery and reduces stress on the vehicle's electrical system, something that becomes especially important during short trips and frequent stop-and-go driving, common in many urban areas across the United States. In some vehicles, the system may also turn on again automatically when the climate control switches to defrost mode. Secret number 2. Seatbelt height adjustment. If the seatbelt feels uncomfortable near your neck or seems poorly positioned across your body, there is an adjustment many drivers simply overlook. On the vehicle's center pillar, known as the B pillar, there is usually a height adjustment mechanism for the upper seatbelt anchor. Press the release button and move it up or down until the belt sits properly across your shoulder. This adjustment isn't only about comfort. A poorly positioned seatbelt can greatly increase the risk of injury during a collision. International safety studies show that correct seatbelt use can reduce the risk of serious injury by up to 50%. This feature becomes especially helpful in vehicles shared by drivers of different heights. Secret number 1. Climate control synchronization and rear lock. If your vehicle has dual-zone or tri-zone automatic climate control, there is a feature that makes everyday use much simpler. The sync button allows the driver to manage all temperature zones at the same time, removing the need to constantly adjust each one separately. In addition, many vehicles include a rear control lock that stops passengers from changing the climate settings unnecessarily. This feature is very common in family SUVs like the Honda Pilot, Toyota Highlander, and Ford Explorer, but it also appears in many midsize vehicles across the U.S. market. If you learned something new today, hit the like button. Subscribe to Car Failure Files for more hidden car features and simple automotive tips. And before you go, check out the next video where we reveal car reset tricks that can solve common warning lights in minutes. In real-world use, it improves cabin comfort while also helping reduce driver distraction.